Yeah, good day. Now, this is the Estate Boss. It's actually a real estate management website. It's kind of a web application where those that are into real estate, into properties, where they can actually display their properties and people can actually contact them in order to enhance their sales. So we made this very simple. Is so owned. So it's not like a platform where lots of people come and post their properties. No, it's just a place where the owner of the real estate company or someone that owns a lot of properties or an agent can actually use to display everything they have, so they can modify everything from the admin. So we call this the estate boss, and the content of it has already been written. So what you understand here, that is, this is the logo, these are the menu. Under this menu we have the properties. What you see under this sub menu now, the apartment, house and land, they're actually the categories that have been created in the admin, which I will explain. We also have the services, where you see the services of the business. It has already been well written. The agent, to see the list of agent, the admin also add the lead agent and put information about those particular agent. Then there's about us and contact us. So let's start from the home before we go into the admin. Now we can see these are actually categories. All these categories are being created by the admin. You can see under this apartment there are two properties, because I've created two properties there which I want to use for this demo. Under the house category there's actually one property which I want to use for this demo as well. Then we have nice content, well written. So there are phone numbers there. Once all these phone numbers are being changed from the admin. So scrolling down, you see the list of some houses, you see the price. It can actually be in any price of your choice. It mustn't be in USD, it mustn't be in dollar symbol. You can actually change the price from the admin. I'll show you how that is done. You can also change the place where the price symbol, where the currency symbol is, whether in the left part of the script or in the right part of the script. I will also show you that. Then these are the agents, and this is actually what the client are saying, kind of the testimonial. Then this is the appointment form. Once this form is filled, the admin receives it on the admin dashboard. So the message, you enter the message and click on send. I'll make an example of that also. Now there is a map here. There is a map here. Now this map is actually calling from the address that is added in the admin. So any address you add from the admin, the map will display that address. So the address is assumed to be the location of the business or the office address of the business. Now we also have our footer. All this information here can also be updated from the admin. So let me show you the properties. Let's come to properties. Let's click on apartment. You can see the properties that are under apartment category. But if you click on properties, just properties, it shows you the list of all the properties. So let's check one of the properties. Let's check this particular one. When you click on the property, now this is the name that was given to the property, so you can give it any name of your choice. We have the breadcrumb here. Now you can see informations about the property. You can see a slider of different images of the property. You can see the number of images you add. So you can add any number of image of your choice. Now here you can see the price, this the address, then this is the name, these are the tags. I'll show you how all those is being added. So it's built in a way it should be very dynamic. Then this is the description of the property. So you write your own description, and these are some features of the property. Then here you can add a video of the property if there is any video. If there is no video, it won't display. So this is the agent in charge of the property. If the agent wants to be, we need to contact the agent. Once sees the agent and see information about the agent, you want to contact the agent pertaining that property, you can click on view profile and you see the profile of that particular agent. Now this is the straight details of the property. And if you want to contact the website directly about the property, you can fill this form and contact the website. and the admin will see it on the admin dashboard. So from there, they can message you and the conversation about the property can start from there. There is also a translator that comes with it, so it has all languages and easy to embed a live chat, so you can actually chat the admin of the property. So from here, you can click on view profile to see the profile of that particular agent. Or you want to see the list of all your agents, you can actually come here and see the list of the agents. There is no limit on number of agents you can add. You have 100 agents, you can add them. So we have the about us, we have the contact us. Then maybe you want to add your own property. When you click here, then it takes you to the contact page, so you can as well fill the contact form and message them what you actually want. And this is the admin of this particular estate boss. So this is the admin. So I want to sign into the admin and show you exactly how the admin looks like. Now this is the admin. This is exactly how the admin looks like. It looks very, very simple. No much information that makes it too complicated. So under the admin, you can see you have your properties, the all properties. So these are the list of properties that I've created. You can see there are 3 properties. So you can click on add property here to add a new property. Now, adding a new property, all you need to do is to fill all this information. You select the category you want it to be in. Remember, from here, you can actually add your more category if you want. Same with the location. You can add your locations from here. This location, I'll show you that. Then you select the agent that is in charge. You put the address and you fill all the features. If there is a video link for it, you add it here. Then if there are tags, you select the tags which you want to actually use for it. Then you can as well select as many images as you want. And this is the cover image. Cover image is based on the listing of the image, which do you want to appear first. So you enter your description and you click on save. Automatically that property will be added. Then if a property is added, you can as well edit or delete the property. If you made a mistake, you can delete it. You can as well edit it anytime. Let me show you how the editing works. Now this is the editing of a property. You can see the whole information that is there. These are the image, so you can delete any image and add anyone, just exactly the way you want it to function. Then this is the list of the agents. You can check the list of all your agents here. You can edit, you can give them roles. So this is the list of the agents. You can give it a role and name it anything you want. You put their social login URL, their address, and their image. If you need it to have an image, you select the image, and this is the image of this particular one. So you can actually do it for all the agents. So you can delete the agent as well. Then for the category, this is the category. You can add new category from here. You can delete category. You can work on the category slug if you want. So this is the category. You can give a name of the category and give it a slug. Then this is the tag. So you can create as many tags as you want. You can edit tag. You can as well delete the tag. Then same with location. You can create locations, add location, delete location, and manage your location. We also have property request. Now, property request is when someone comes on the front end. Let's say, for instance, on this property, let's say someone make a request for this particular property, and the person comes and fill in the form. You can say I fill the form. Someone fill in the form. Let me add more description. And the person submits. You can see that the message has been sent successfully. Now you can see the property that was come for this particular property. Now if I come to the admin and reload here, you can see what was actually filled. You can see it appearing here. So you can as well click and check the information of who filled it. Then from there you can now contact the person for inspection or any other thing. So there is a provision for WhatsApp details, so you can message the person via WhatsApp if the person fills that information. So that's for property request. We also have the contact message. Now similar thing happens to the contact message, and this is the contact message. So this information here can be filled. Let me make a quick sample of it. So I'll just put some dummy text there. So when this information is filled and you click on send, look at the name here is Fin Branch, and you click on send, the message has been sent successfully. So if I come to the contact message and I reload, you can see it has added. So you can see the information and the person's message. Then you can email the person or you can call the person depending on their specific request or how you want it to be. Then most importantly is the site settings, and this is where the website is being managed. Under the site settings, this is the site name, this is the site email, this is the site tagline. You can actually update that to whatever you want. For the tagline, for example, this is the tagline, your real estate king. Okay, I can as well come here and change it to, let me just put something dummy looking. It has been updated. So if I come and I reload the page, so you can see it. So it's more like a description. You can see what I added now. Something else I would like you to see is the properties. Under the properties, you can see the prices. You can change the currency to any currency of your choice. Let's say you don't want it to have a symbol. Let's say you want it to be USD, or you want it to be anything you just want. You can change the default from here as well. Then you click on save. If you come back here and reload, you can see there's USD added to it. Then if you want the property, the symbol to display at the left side of the website of the script, you can as well change it to right. It's at the left currently. You can change it to right and click on save. Reload, you can see it has moved to this other side. The USD have moved to this other side. So anyhow you want it, is that dynamic that you can actually modify it exactly the way you want it. So you can change your logo from here and it displays and change the logo everywhere. So this is just something very simple, easy to manage, easy to use. So that's exactly how this is. So this is the estate boss. Thank you very much.